Hey y'all, it's me, Slayed by Jordan.
I should have put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know, a different environment. Cause you got desires, I know.
Alright y'all, today we are working with Wiggins Hair. Let's first look at the goodies that came inside our beautiful box.
I know. Cause you got desires. You got that fire. And I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees, really had to talk aside.
Wiggins Hair sent me over this 36-inch straight 13x4 HG lace front wig, and she is a beauty, y'all. Like I said, 36 inches. She is long. She is true to length. The lace is true HD. The knots are small. It comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached. I took this wig fresh out the box and installed it as is. I didn't change anything about the wig. Let's get into the install. Mwah. We are now going to position this wig on her head and cut out her ear tabs and sew it down.
Self-control has never been a thing. Don't think it'll help if there's a ring with a rocket. Where I'm from, they serve the soda clean. You come from a city where there's lean with the rocks in it. How the fuck you keep so many secrets? How you going vegan but still be filming me again? How the fuck you seen so many beaches? Tickets to them places don't come cheap, man. I see it back in search, remember who took it first, and don't you forget it. That's your whip, we ain't got back on the shit. I had to tell Eric, go get it. I'm always moving too fast, the feeling don't last. I feel like you take me for granted. Probably my fault for the way that I handle it. I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know, a different environment. But you got desire, I know. Cause you got desire, I know.
Now I'm going to take my adhesive and dot it in the shape of her hairline, and then I'm going to just smooth it back with the end of my eyebrow razor as evenly as possible. Make sure that each layer turns clear before you apply the next. We did 3 layers today.
Why would you tell me those lies? Why would you make it so bold to my face? Why are your stories all over the place? Whole lot of secrets friends don't keep safe. Where did your friends all go? I can't solve your problem. You say your problems never needed solving. I was too good till you should've stayed silent. Next guys always finish off where they started. Deja vu, you wanted things and you got it. Deja vu, I wanted smoke and I got it. Deja vu, deja.
Our last layer has turned clear. Let's go ahead and lay that lace down. Now we're going to blow dry that lace, interchange it between warm and cool air for about a minute until it's secured to her head. And then we're going to part off the wig and tie it down with our elastic band. After keeping that lace tied for 10 minutes, we're going to proceed with cutting off the excess lace. Now we're going to take our wax stick and our comb and just get that hair parted directly in the middle. And then we're going to take our hot comb and flatten down everything. She wants baby hairs today, so we're going to give them to him, honey. She loves her baby hairs, y'all. She can't live a day without them. So we're going to put 2 baby hairs on each side. So now we're just going to part those out. And then once we have all of those parted out, we're going to spray our Hair Flex hairspray from a distance to melt her lace and tie her down again with the elastic band for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're going to take the elastic band off. And as you can see, that lace is melted. And we're going to proceed to do our baby hairs. And we're going to tie them down with 3 wrap strips.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gonna do about it.
Using our Beyond the Zone, spraying that from a distance on each section, and using our flat iron on 450 degrees, using the chase method, we're going to press this hair bone straight. It came relatively straight fresh out the box, but we wanted it bone straight, so I just went ahead and pressed it again. Like I told y'all in the beginning, I did not wash this wig. I literally took the wig fresh out the box as is, and we're installing it as is. I did not bleach it, I didn't pluck it, I didn't dye it. This is just how it comes. It's a very beautiful long wig. It has a great luster to it. It's so soft and silky. Like, y'all know Wiggins Hair is like one of my favorite hair companies. Like, they have never disappointed. From sending hair to content creators and influencers to my actual clients spending their hard-earned money and buying it, Wiggins has never failed ever. So I highly recommend Wiggins Hair, you all.
with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29.
Y'all, look at the luster and the silkiness on that hair, y'all. And this is the hair all pressed bone straight, y'all. No gimmicks. Like, you literally have to get this wig. So now we're going to take our rack strips off, and then we're going to proceed to, customize our baby hairs off camera. That'd be such a long process, y'all. That's why I never show it. But, I just comb them out, cut them, and then re-swoop them down. And now we're going to get into defining our part. I like to cover the very front of the lace with the wrap strip, because if you get that black spray on the front of that lace, it's not coming out. So tread lightly. And I'm just going to spray that on her part, making sure I hold the rat tail directly over the part. That way we can get a very sharp and defined part. And I'm going to do it twice to just get it as close to the hairline as I can. But like I said, you do not want to spray that directly on the very tip of the lace, because it's going to look very weird. So tread lightly with that black spray. And I'm also going to go in and put some powder in her part, and also do some little tune-ups with my color root touch-up, just to make sure everything is looking as natural as possible. So just watch me. Now I'm going to seal this off with some hairspray, and then I'm going to spray everything with some Beyond the Zone Turn Up the Heat spray to give it a beautiful gloss, y'all. And we'll be done with this 36-inch bust down.
Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up, and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chugga, look around. Find one to see my type. That my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice.
Let's get into that final look, you all.
I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is.
Once again, I want to thank Wiggins Hair for this beautiful 36-inch wig. Make sure you check the description box below for more information and links on how you can purchase your own. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. We got plenty of heat dropping for you this summer. I love you all. Goodbye.